Imagine yourself in this 2009 Toyota Yaris. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front-wheel drive, front bucket seats, tilt steering column, child seat anchors, remote fuel door, power windows, daytime running lights, passenger side airbags, and map light. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.